On a plateau in the Appalachian Mountains lies a town called Highlands, North Carolina. This high-altitude area, relative to the rest of the state, hosts various hiking trails scattered throughout the area. Since we've been here, we hiked Whiteside Mountain, Glen Falls, and Sunset Rock. But in case you're not in the mood to hike, in this video we're going to quickly take a look at both Bridal Veil Falls, which is the drive-in waterfall on the side of the road, and down the street the 0.2 mile walk to Dry Falls. Only 2.3 miles from downtown Highlands, on the side of US Highway 64, is Bridal Veil Falls.
Look at that. Driving, you see a little waterfall right there. A drive-in waterfall. Oh, wait. Look at that drive-in waterfall right here.
This is the only waterfall in North Carolina that you can drive behind. It's 45 feet tall and drains directly into a sewer. Both waterfalls are within the Nantahala temperate rainforest. And less than a mile away is the much larger Dry Falls. So we parked and walked the quick 0.2 mile path towards Dry Falls.
Nantahala National Forest. A temperate rainforest. Which is why I put my wet weather gear on.
Like the rest of Highlands with incredible vegetation, on the way you'll see vibrant leaves and colorful mossy rocks.
Oh, you can get behind it. Yeah.
Also known as Cullasaja Falls, Dry Falls is a powerful 65-foot waterfall 3.1 miles from the Highlands City Square.
So if you're looking for one of the easiest waterfall hikes, we have Dry Falls.
What's cool is you can go behind the waterfall and stay mostly dry since it flows over an overhanging bluff. But today it was quite misty since it's been raining a decent amount lately. This waterfall is part of an 8.7 mile stretch series of waterfalls ending at Cullasaja Falls.
That was the entire trail. Yep.
Since the trail is only 0.4 mile total, there and back, Dry Falls is an easy way to see and get behind a large waterfall without taking too much time out of your day. But as always, things like this are better in person. If you're in the area, I highly recommend you quickly stop by. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.